In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear history on Safari in your iPhone 3 different ways. Let's start by clearing all history on Safari. So open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Safari. Scroll down again and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Once this is cleared, this option will be greyed out. The next thing that I'm going to show you is how to clear history of individual sites on Safari. So open up the Safari app and then tap on the bookmarks icon. This is the icon that looks like an open blue book. It is located at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on history. This is the icon that looks like a clock in the upper right corner of your screen. All you have to do is swipe left on a website and then tap the red delete button. The last option that I'm going to show you is how to clear history based on time periods on Safari. So when you have the Safari app open, again tap on the bookmarks icon. Then what you want to do is tap the clear button on the bottom right of the screen and then select the time range that you want to delete your browsing history, and that's basically all there is to it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.